So I think, considering the fact that you have significant volatility going around in the crude oil, which jumped and tested the 78 mark before settling a little lower. Yes, the sensitive sectors which are going to benefit out of this hike in the crude oil prices surely are going to benefit out of it. But I think again, broadly, this is more of a short-term sentiment, which is positively as well as negatively impacting the relevant sectors. So I would say, just go with the flow. The momentum which is there for the short term could last for a little while, and that could benefit. Apart from that, there's no strong structural change that I'm looking at, because as I mentioned, if I were to step back and look at the broader picture, I still believe some consolidation is here to stay. And on account of the global news flow, we're witnessing elevated volatility. So I would treat this as a trading opportunity for the relevant sectors.
So Sahaj, what's your stock list like this morning?
So I'm going a little conservative at this point of time. One is Cipla. That's a stock that I really like at this point of time. It's been consolidating. It's made a good base of around 1450, witnessing some positive movement. But again, the markets have pushed it back to a little extent because of the news flow. But I believe 1450 is an extremely strong support. Multi-day bottom it made over there on the high side. The stock is expected to test around the 1580 mark. So that's one opportunity that I really like. The other one that I think has been significantly underperforming over the last few weeks and not participated in the up move that the markets have witnessed is ACC. Stocks currently trading around the 1845 mark. Good support at around 1780. It's made a double bottom kind of a structure at 1780. Underperformed, good value proposition, and on the higher side, 1970 seems highly possible. So these are the two stocks that I like at this point of time.
All right, so those are the two buy calls coming in from Sahaj. Let's watch out for that, Cipla as well as ACC. But with this, Sahaj, we'll let you go on that note. Thank you so much for taking the time out today morning. But Kunal, what about you? Which are your stock ideas for today?
So I'll go with two buy calls. BEL, Bharat Electronics, was apparently one of the better performing names, even though the stock closed a little flat on Friday. But then I think, looking at the intraday reaction, the stock still is holding on to its major support points of 388, 390. So keeping 388 as a stop loss would suggest a buy with 404 as a target for BEL. And the second would be a buy in Glenmark Pharma, one of the more consistent performing stocks in the pharma pack. The stock has climbed levels of 1600 plus in a very slow, gradual manner, and then now breaking past above or coming very close towards its previous major highs. So the momentum seems to be continuing for Glenmark Pharma. Would suggest 1710 as a target. Stop loss could be kept at 1640.
Okay, so those are the picks that Kunal is recommending this morning, and it seems